Okay, all the damaged panels are off. Rocker panel, quarter panel, door. So there is not much car left. But what is left is looking pretty good. This is a 33-year-old car. Look at those sills. If you ask me, after 33 years, that is looking pretty good. Through this hole here, you can even look inside chassis beams. Look at that. That's looking nice, very nice. This car really was worth saving. Got the wheel well all beaten out, in pretty much the right shape. Good enough to stay on the car. I have a few spots of welding to do, a bit of cleaning up before the new panels can go on. Is it perfect? It certainly is not. It has the same problem as every other AE92 Corolla. Rust in the rear wheel wells. We have a few holes. That's where the rear seat belt mounts to. At least the bracket that should be there. I already took it off. And as you can probably see, that side is having the exact same problem. So that will need to be dealt with as well. But those are only minor issues if you ask me. I'm pretty chuffed with the car and how it's coming along. Got the first reinforcement bracket made. That goes in here like that. Spot welds on the other panel, and then weld it all up, and it will reinforce the cut area. Got one made for the rear too. And I'll make one for the rocker panel as well. Okay. That is so much nicer than this car, where there is a lot more rust going on. So, all in all, a much better chassis, if you ask me. Got the new rocker panel here, ready to go in. And the quarter panel of this car is going on the other one. So, lots of work to go.